Guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to my crazy big black family on YouTube. This is a up all night cleaning video, guys. So as you may see, this is a cleaning cloth I have in the sink, and I have this cleaning spray bottle that I have bleach inside of and dish detergent. Now, some people will see this video and be like, "What is that on the rag? Is that?" No, it's a cleaning cloth, and it's actually clean. But the stains you see on it is from wiping walls and things like that. So that's what it's used for. It's for cleaning. So, before people start saying, oh my God, no, it's a cleaning cloth. I have them by the thousands, let alone by the hundreds. I have so many cleaning cloths. That being said, I digress. So what I'm doing is I sprayed everything down with some bleach, and I'm just wiping all around the sink. Around the nozzle, around the handles, because just to stop the spread of germs and things like that, I'm using some bleach and just gonna disinfect everything. Now that's the soap dish. Everybody knows the soap dish always has the little crusty soap on there. So when I was raised, I used to see people cleaning that all the time. And then I also worked in hotels, and that's like a must that you have to clean that. So what I'm doing is I sprayed it with some bleach on it, and I'm just gonna try to scrub all that crusty soap off of there. And I think I did a pretty good job. I probably seen like a little tiny piece on it. But now what I'm doing, I sprayed actually this toilet. This is the top of the toilet. And this is the backsplash of the toilet behind there. So what I'm doing is I'm spraying and I wipe the walls off. And again, that's why this cleaning cloth has those kind of different stains on it, because cleaning cloths are for that. They're for you to wash them out and clean with them. So, whatever clean, and I clean stoves, I clean everything with these same cloths, and I just wash them. A lot of times they may get stained, but they still will be clean. Again, I digress. So what I'm doing is I'm wiping around the toilet really good. I sprayed around it with some bleach and detergent, and I'm just wiping all around the crevices, all around the bowl, around the outside, and now I'm just giving it a nice little wash on the top of the seat, wiping off the seat where everybody has to sit. And I have the toilet brush inside, and I just sprayed some spray in there, and I'm just gonna spray around there really, really good around the edges, because usually up in that little corner around the top of the bowl is usually where all the germs, like it gets dirty up in there. So I'm just getting the bleach and trying to scrub up around there. So that's what you see me like. I'm trying to get up around the crevices as well inside the inside of the bowl too. I'm gonna just give it a nice little scrub right here. I noticed that, oh, I see still a little bit of stuff around the sides of those, but I'll use the cleaning cloth to wipe the rest of it off. And for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the cleaning cloth, like I said, to wipe off the rest of the things that I couldn't get off with my toilet brush. So I'm just going over it again with the cleaning cloth. And again, this cleaning cloth, I just took it out the sink. It has bleach on it. So again, everything that I'm using is just being rinsed off and bleached again. So now I'm washing the inside of my tub. I'm using the scrub and cleaning cloth. This cleaning cloth is kind of rustic because it's like a scrubber. So around the sides, I noticed right there is like the little soap scum and like watermarks around the side. So I'm trying to just like the hot water marks in the ring around the side. So I'm just trying to scrub that off. I'm using a nice little like I said, cleaning cloth, and I use it as a scrubber as well, and I'm just scrubbing it really good with some bleach and detergent. You see right there, I'm just trying to get that off, that little soap scum. Sometimes it's hard to get soap scum and hot water stains off, but I'm gonna try to do that. But yeah, I'm just giving it a nice, really good scrub to get all the excess hot water stains off. And then I'm going to take the cleaning cloth and just go around the whole tub, and again around the sides to get off any black little soap scum or anything like that, guys. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to clean. This is my cosmetic shelf. This, as you see, it has hair. People put their weave up here. They put, they put their makeup here, powder makeup, gel, caps, everything. If you got a cosmetic shelf, you got to wipe it off every now and then. So what I'm doing is I'm wiping this off now. Crazy thing is I literally just painted this shelf like not even 6 months ago. and already it's again has stains on it from cosmetics. I see an ink stain right there. It's just like the weirdest things that end up in the bathroom is crazy. But again, I digress. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just wash this to the best I can with the bleach cleaning rag again. And do you see how this cleaning rag again with bleach is going to is cleaning everything? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wipe the little, a lot of this stuff right here is like um old glue, hair glue and stuff that's stuck right there to the wall. So it's hard to get off. But I am going to clean it to the best of my knowledge. So I'm going here and I'm just going to wipe everything down with the cleaning cloth. And once I've done that, as you see, I'm just going to restock the shelf and put everything back in its place. I know there's still some like that little right there, that little ink stain that may not come off. But sometimes when you got what you got to figure it out and make it work. So I'm just going to, stack everything up there nice and neat, guys. And look at that. I think that looks pretty damn well, especially considering the way that that cabinet cosmetic shelf looks. So now I'm going to show you a little hack that I learned when I was working at the hotel. Now I'm going to make the tissue. If you ever stayed at a hotel, you may have seen like your tissue will have like a little diamond thing and be like locked at the top on the roll. Well, I did housekeeping before in the hotel, and oh my gosh, I don't know why it's taking me so long to do this. I guess I haven't did it in a while, but okay, I digress. So yeah, you basically just put your ends of your toilet tissue in like a triangle type of position. You grab both sides. That's what I just did. You even it up, and then you stick your finger under the faucet, let it get wet, and then you just lock it just like that. And then you use your finger as a tape to press it. You press it right there on the triangle spot. You see that triangle spot right there? And then you just put it on your roll or on top of your toilet, however, wherever you place your tissue. And look at that. Doesn't that look very neat and like professional and like as if you were in a hotel or something, guys? Look at that. So that's just a little cute little extra hack I showed you guys. If you ever wondered how to do that, it's so easy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and stack so this is bought as a tissue dispenser. I bought this about 4 years ago. Actually, in 2020, I bought this. I got it off of Amazon, and it's a tissue dispenser. But what I usually use it for is most times I use it to stack the feminine napkins in it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm stacking all the feminine napkins, and then if you have one of these and you don't use it for a tissue holder, you can always use it as a dispenser or a holder for your feminine napkins for the women out there. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna fill it, and being tall as it is, you can stack it all the way up. So that's what I'm doing. I'm literally just stacking it all the way up as much as I can. This was the big pack of feminine napkins from Walmart, and I think it's 48 in that pack. So some of them were used, but this is what is left. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sweep out this bathroom right now, guys. Sweep around the toilet, do a nice little sweeping behind there. Oh my gosh, my broom got stuck on there.